So today we are replacing the hood on this 2000 Jeep Cherokee. As you can see, it's pretty bent up here. It has a couple of rust spots and little dents all throughout. So what I did is I went to the junkyard and I found one, the same model Jeep, and had hood in great condition. So I pulled that off. It was about $80, and I took it to a paint shop, had it painted, and we're gonna place it right now. So when we had it painted, they had to take off all the hardware, including the latches, where the cable connects, that's riveted in, and we'll show you how to put all that on, and some of these parts, including the hinges. Two hinges right there, and the latches, where the cable goes, where the cable connects, and goes down into your dashboard. Now we are installing the hood latches. Now you will need a star wrench if you're using the same equipment. Inside. Now when installing the hood latch, you have a spring that from the top side comes from here over here. And that's easy to hook up. There you go. Now we are drilling the rivet out from this piece here. There you go. Alright, so we're using the same, I guess you'd call it a hood latch pull, part that connects to the cable. Now we're using the same one, we just drilled it out, so we can just leave this here, and when we get the new hood on there, we can just pop rivet it on there. Alright, so the actual latch itself, it's real easy. You just toss it on there. It has 2 bolts, 10mm. Okay, so next is getting this cable and bracket off that holds the engine bay light. Alright, so this plastic piece right here just comes off once you remove the bolt. Now on here, the plastic seems like it swelled up and it wanted to go along with it with each turn. So the hood hinges are easy to install. Now if you see how they're ovaled out right there, use that for adjusting for the specific vehicle that you're putting it in. Now this snuffer here, it holds your hood at the right height when closed. Now it's a little tricky to get on. You see that little cutout right there, and you gotta stick this in there. Alright, make sure it gets under that piece of metal. Just like that. And you got screws in. Now this thing can be aggravating to get in. You really gotta put a lot of torque behind it to get in there. There we go. And then it'll straighten itself up and go right in. Alright, so these plastic pieces, they're easy to put on. They were a little carboned up, so we just scraped off the carbon that was on them, and these just pop right in. There we go. There you go. Alright, so if we're actually taking the hood off, it's not that hard. It's be a 2 or 3 man job, and all you need to simply do is take off the nuts that are on there. That should be enough. Yeah. After that, we have a little bit of mid-range, obviously.
Right now we have to move this corner back a little bit, because if you'll notice right here, we've got a pretty close there, wide gap here. So if we shift it just a little bit back in that direction, it'll even both of those out. We just tightened this one bolt to try to get it back as far as we can. We do have some more adjustment here. We may have to use that, but right now it's still a little bit farther forward than I like right there, but it's, I mean, it is a 20-year-old Jeep too, so we're gonna take this one. Actually, I need to shift it that way just a hair.
Yeah, still got a pretty good gap over here.
Yep. We'll shift some of that out.
And you might have to put some lubricant on these.
Oh, shit.
This is really easy for women and children to shoot.
Well, probably not if you use the ones that came on that Jeep.
Okay.
They were already lubricated.
Yeah.
These were the ones from the hood.
All right,
Let's
the
see
very
what
last part is installing the engine bay light. It is fairly easy. All you gotta do, you got 2 screws right there, and they just bolt right in. Now with the new hood, you can see it is so much nicer in comparison. I'll have photos up of the old one, just for comparison. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I will have more videos coming soon.